Of the day. Today, let us see active voice and passive voice. Active voice is a sentence that has a subject that acts upon its verb. Passive voice means that a subject is a recipient of a verb's action. We usually add the preposition by in passive voice. Look at these examples. I read a book. So in this sentence, I is the subject. Read present tense verb. A book object. When we change it into passive voice, object will become the subject and the subject will become object. See, I is the subject, read verb, a book object. So when we change it into passive voice, a book is read by me. A book singular. So we use singular. For singular noun we use is verb present tense. Read is the past participle of read. So a book is read by me. I will be changed into me. See, I changes into me, we, us, he, him, she, her, it, no change, it, they, them, you, no change. Let us see some examples. She reads books. Books, plural form. So we use present tense verb are. Okay, it is plural. So are. Books are read by her. She will be changed into her. I read books. Books are read by me. Look at some other examples. Doctors treat patients. Patients are treated by doctors. She watches a movie. A movie is watched by her. Parents bring up children. Children are brought up by parents. We love our country. Here our country is the subject. So our country is loved by us. Carpenters make furniture. Furniture, plural form also, furniture. So we can use are. Furniture are made by carpenters. Make past participle made. So furniture are made by carpenters. Here we can use is also. Furniture is made by carpenters. Then mechanics repair cars. Cars are repaired by mechanics. The child plays cricket. Cricket is the object. So cricket, it becomes a subject in passive voice. So cricket is played by the child. Mala eats an apple. An apple is eaten by Mala. Eat past participle eaten. Then masons build houses. Houses are built by masons. Teachers teach students. Students are taught by teachers. Teach past participle taught. A few verbs: write, past participle written, read, read, run, run, come, come, see, seen, go, gone, seek, sought, search, searched, jump, jumped. Past participle thought. Present participle thinking. Past tense thought. Now let us see examples for present continuous tense. active voice to passive voice. See, for present continuous tense, we must use verb plus being plus past participle. For example, Shanti is eating a mango. See, this is present continuous tense, is eating. So we must add being and past participle. See here, a mango, singular. So the same, singular subject, verb is, then is being, eat past participle, eaten by Shanti. Subject will become object. If it is in plural form, see the same sentence, Shanti is eating mangoes. Mangoes are being eaten by Shanti. Here mangoes plural form. So we use are. Then verb plus ing, being plus eaten. The child is drinking a glass of water. A glass of water is the object. So object becomes the subject in passive voice. A glass of water, singular. So we use is verb. Being, drinking, past tense, past participle, drunk. A glass of water is being drunk by the child. I am teaching grammar. Look at the sentence. Grammar is being taught by me. Grammar, object, so it becomes subject. Then it is singular subject, so we use is, present continuous tense. So teaching, so we use being, and teach past participle, taught. I am teaching grammar. Grammar is being taught by me. He is learning prose. Prose is being learnt by him. Like that. He is learning poems. Plural form we can see. Poems are learnt by him. Now let us see past continuous tense. Look at this example. The dog was catching a fish bone. A fish bone is the object, so it becomes subject in the passive voice. The same verb, past tense, singular. Okay, so was. The same thing, being plus past participle. So we have introduced being, then catch past participle, caught. A fish bone was being caught by the dog. Like that, plural form. The policemen were catching the thieves. Look at the sentence. The thieves were being caught by the policemen. Now let us see imperative sentences. Whenever we want to change active voice into passive voice, we have to add let, then object plus be plus past participle. See here, shut the window. There is no subject at all. For imperative sentences, we must introduce let. Then the same object, okay, let the window. We have to use be. Okay, then be, past participle of shut, shut. Let the window be shut. Like this, close the door. Let the door be closed. Open the window. Let the window be opened. Switch on the video. Let the video be switched on. Admit him in the hospital. Let him be admitted in the hospital. Tell me the truth. Let the truth be told. So these are all examples for imperative sentences. Now let us see examples for interrogative sentences. Look at the sentence, do not punish him or don't punish him. Okay. Here also we must use let, then be, we have to add, then past participle of punish, punished. And do not, let him not be punished. Object, after that we must use not. See, do plus punish, punish. Whereas when it is changed into past participle, punished. So let him not be punished. Look at this. Do they speak the truth? See, do, does plus speak. present tense verb, we must use am, is, are according to the noun, singular or plural. Then did plus speak, was or were. Okay. Then look at this. Do they speak the truth? See, this is interrogative sentence. At the same time, it is in present tense. For present tense verb, is the truth, speak past participle, spoken. They will be changed into them. Is the truth spoken by them? Look at the next example. Does she speak English? Is English spoken by her? Does she write English? Is English written by her? Did she speak French? Here did, past tense. So we must use past tense verb was. Was French spoken by her? Did he play football? Again, was football played by him? Why did you punish her like this? Why was she punished by you? Look at the next example. Why did you beat him? Why was he beaten by you? See, why did you punish her? The same question, interrogative question, why, then did. So we use was, why was. Here, actually she was punished by you. So her will be changed to she. Then punish, past participle, punished. Why you, no change, so you. Why did you punish her? Why was she punished by you? Then, why did you beat him? Like that same way. Why was he beaten by you? Now let us see examples for present perfect tense. Has or have. See, if it is has or have in active voice, we must use been plus past participle in passive voice. For example, I have recorded the video. Look at this, the object, the video, the same, the video. The video, it is singular, so we use has. If it is plural, we have to use have. Videos have. Video means has. Then the video has been recorded already, the past participle. So we must use the same past participle. The video has been recorded by me. Next example, see. The dog has bitten a leg piece. A leg piece, singular. Has, we must add been. Bitten already past participle, so they same past participle. Okay. A leg piece has been bitten by the dog. Now let us see some other examples. They offered him the job. The job was offered to him by them. See, look at this. Transitive verbs, if it is, see, we can use either to or without to, we can make it into passive voice. Look at this. They offered him the job. What is the object? The job. But the job. Offered, past tense. So was. Past participle, offered. The job was to whom? Offered to whom? Upon him. Offered to him by them. They will be changed to them. He was offered the job by them. This is also another method. We can write like this. Either she presented him a wristwatch. Look at this. A wristwatch. This is the object. So object will be changed into subject. A wristwatch presented past tense. So was verb we use. Presented past participle, the same past participle. A wristwatch was presented to whom? To him. Okay, so to him by her. She will be changed into her. She presented him a wristwatch. A wristwatch was presented to him by her. Like that, look at this another example. The policeman gave the thief a laptop. A laptop was given to the thief by the policeman. Look at this. Someone has broken the glass. The glass has been broken by someone. No one has taught her good manners. Object good manners. So good manners plural. So we use have. Have been taught to her by no one. The manager offered him a good salary. A good salary. Here there are two objects. Okay, him, then a good salary. See, a good salary was offered to him by the manager. Okay. Thank you.